Minista wa muvea wa Kinandu Mbadi Niwaumbula Kana watho wa Silikali wa Kuvetangia Enenthi ala Makwataa Musaala Itheo wa 2030 Koti wa Paye Nutonya Uvunya Nguka Aiweta kana Silikali Niyiolete Koti Mwingi kwa Syindu Kivathukanio na Kethiwa Nikuvetanga Koti Silikali Nitonya Ikumbilwa ni Ivinda Yumu kukwata Koti wianite kutwaisya Athukumi wayo ainena nandiki mama uvoka vindani kala ukunengana umelu wa mama wendekethio mamutalatala wa Kinandu wa 2030 Mbadi ni waleana na nzekesya kana mutalatala uo Nutonya kuongela mathoa maasimo na ngua sya mitumba mwaka mweu ena mauvo.
Netina wa President William Ruto kumatha Enenthi ala maiva wa Musaala wa silingi 30,000 na Kuveya Kuvetangia Koti wa Paye SU1 Minista wa Kinandu Mbadi Niwaumbula kana itambia Kuvetanga Koti huu Nitonya kuemela ithingilila kana kumano na kaula uende nthi ya Iran Silikali ninaulile Koti wa mauta na Kethiwa ni Kuvetanga Paye SU1 nivatonyeka ikakunika muno muvangoni wayo wa kumbani ilovia sya kutwaisya Athukumi.
There's a war in the Middle East. We are looking at the impact of that war already. We have reduced VAT on petroleum products. We don't know for how long. So that is something we must factor in our revenue projections. We are also looking at the overall impact on the economy. But there are reforms that we have also implemented at the Kenya Revenue Authority, particularly targeting personal income tax. We wanted the personal income to broaden the base for personal income tax to be to increase, and then that would help us to compensate for the loss in this pay as you earn. However, we are in a conversation, and we have agreed with the head of state that this is an amendment that we may carry, even regardless of the impact it will have on our revenue.
Mbadi nena nandiki mama uvone watetea mutalatala wa Kinandu wa mwaka wa 2030 Aiweta kana kwina Enenthi maende na kuvuya ndeto itesya uyo wa mutalatala usu.
Now I just want to urge you, anybody, please get the bill, get my bill. Stop giving me many bills, many finance bill. Finance Bill 2026 is now out, published by the National Assembly, and let us engage constructively. I hope this year will not be a repeat of last year, where I was asked so many questions on fake bills.
Minista one wathambalala kana Silikali ndi na muvango wa kuongelanga Koti thini watho wa simuvandi ya Kenya undu amwe maenenthi methitwe maiweta na vala wakathia mawendekethio alame mutalatalani u wa Kinandu.
Hakuna bei ya simu itapanda kwa sababu tumetoa taxes yote tukaweka tu tax moja. Taxes zote ukiunganiza pamoja ilikuwa 55%. Tunateremsha hiyo mpaka 25% na tunaita excise duty na unalipa mara moja wakati ya kuanza kutumia simu yako. Kwa hivyo hata bei ya simu itateremka because taxes sasa zimekuwa tumepunguza. Saying that the mitumba clothes will be more expensive is far from the truth. The truth is that if these mitumba people were to pay taxes today, which they should, based on their income, they will be spending much more than deeming 5%, only 5% of their the custom value of goods as profit and then taxing it at 30%. It is
Nilivoti ya vilingi wa movo nitoa mwaka mweu.